And we are back here on the WHHI-TV Daily News. With me is our friend Corporal Ginn from the Hardeeville Police Department. Always good to see you.
Yes, ma'am. It's great to be here.
So today we're talking about a couple different things. We're going to start with My Emergency Information Card, or
Yes.
ID card. And so, kind of walk us through this process. This is primarily for kids.
Correct.
But, tell us what it does, what you need to do to get one, all of those good
Yes, ma'am,
things.
certainly. Well, first off, if somebody is in need of one, they can contact us, and we are going to make these widely available to the public so they can have them for their children. But it's just what it sounds like. It's a way for people to have prints and DNA from their child so that if it is needed in the future, they have it.
Okay.
The Hardeeville Police Department will not keep any of this information. And we also urge parents, if they do this for their children, to update them regularly, because there is a spot on the back of the card for them to attach a picture.
Right.
Because children do change as they grow up.
Certainly.
And of course it has a growth chart so they can keep up with that. And in the future, if we needed to find a missing child, we know a good place to start.
Yeah.
And that would be the only time we would get that information from the parents.
Okay. Well, and obviously it's a situation none of us wants to find ourselves in, but obviously if we have this kind of information, you're kind of hitting the ground running a little bit faster than if you didn't.
Correct. And anything we can do to help us help that parent find that missing loved one, that's what we need to do.
Yeah. And so we'll just reiterate that you don't keep any of this.
We do not.
So down the road, you don't have little Johnny's prints for anything
No, ma'am.
nefarious or anything like that.
Correct.
So, yeah. And so do they come to the station to pick this up?
They can if they like. And we will make these available at city functions,
okay,
such as festivals and things of that when they come up. And we encourage parents to get those and use them. And if they don't know how, we're more than glad to show them. We'll even assist them if they have the child there.
Okay.
But we will not keep anything from the packet. The packet has everything they need to get to. There's a little ink strip in there, and there's also a DNA swab.
Okay, so they do the whole thing themselves.
Yes, ma'am.
You don't even collect it.
If they don't need help, we won't help them. But if they do, we'll show them how to do it.
Okay.
So they can get it done properly.
Very good, very good. And you also have a golf tournament coming up.
Yes, ma'am, we sure do. It is coming up on August the 24th at Riverton Point, and it's to benefit the Hardeeville Police Department.
Okay. And how does one get involved with that? Are you still looking for players? Are you looking for vendors, sponsors?
Yes, ma'am. We would still love to have several teams and sponsors, and they can contact the Hardeeville Police Department. They can also contact our public information officer, Ms. Brianna Jones, directly through her email, bjones@hardeevillesc.gov. Or they can call the office and talk to one of us to help get them set up with it. We still have about 8 teams available for the tournament.
Okay.
And it's going to be a fun day of golf, food, and drinks.
What could be better here in the Lowcountry?
That's right. And hopefully it'll be pretty weather for that day.
Yes, yeah. Well, August 24th, hopefully, we're going to maybe easing into fall then.
It's hard to say. It's the South. If you don't like the weather, just wait till tomorrow.
Exactly right. Exactly right. And so you said it benefits the police department. How so? What does it do?
We intend to use these funds to help us. There's so many things we want to do collectively as a group that we're not able to. Several years ago, Hardeeville Police Department was 12, 15 officers. Now we're around 50 employees.
Wow.
For the police department.
That was quick. Well, Hardeeville's growing so fast.
Yes, ma'am.
We need you.
Yeah, exactly. And we intend to use it to help us with our functions for us. Okay. The way we want to be able to sit down, not at work, but off from work and enjoy ourselves. A good example would be a Christmas party that we would do. And we also would be able to help things that are near and dear to us, projects that we pick up that are beneficial to the community.
Okay, well, very good. So they just contact the department to get
yes, ma'am.
Sponsorship, vendor, players.
Correct.
Excellent. August 24th.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, and thank you for the ID kits as
yes,
well.
Ma'am.
And always good to see you. Thanks for all the information.
It's great to be here. Thank you.
And we'll be back, so don't go away.